So we had mixed results this past week from big tech, specifically the big tech related to the Magnificent Seven, or as they say, the Magnificent Six, as some have thrown out Tesla from that group. Nevertheless, Microsoft, which is part of the Magnificent Seven, reported their earnings, and they beat Wall Street expectations, primarily driven by their AI investments. So what I've drawn is just a trend line going back to the lows of December of 2022 and on the move, on the way up. Prices formed levels of interest. We have a weekly buy level at 310 that was formed back in May. You had a rally in price, two basing candles to rally out. Price pulls back, picks up those unfilled buy orders and shoots higher. And then we had another level form in the form of a monthly buy level at 370. All these basing candles are a lot fewer on the monthly chart. So if we scroll up, those candles that we saw on the weekly chart are represented by one hammer candle. So this is a rally in price. This is a basing candle and then the rally out. So that is a prime location if price can get back there to go long. As I mentioned, it's a bad week for the big tech, the NASDAQ. As you can see, prior to earnings, price came out of this range-bound sideways price action, only to retest the bottom of that box, which represents the top of this box. And that was just things setting up for the gap down. Which on earnings, we saw a gap higher. And price nearly touched the uptrend line. Price currently sits at 406, but I don't think this is the start of the next leg higher, right? If you look at Friday's candle, we gapped higher only to end the day on the lows. Drilling out to the weekly chart, these are the levels that I'm looking at now, or at least the next level is going to be this 370 level. So regarding the news, Microsoft beat Wall Street estimates for the third quarter. Revenue and profits on Thursday driven by gains from adoption of AI across its cloud services. Microsoft's AI-powered earnings demonstrates that doubling down on innovation is paying off, according to a senior director of briefings at eMarketer, pointing to the company's early moves in Gen AI, such as its large investment in ChatGPT, maker of openai. We're continuing to see customer demand grow quite a bit, Brett Iverson said, who is Microsoft's Vice President of Investor Relations. And so we are making sure to scale our available capacity in line with that. Now the stock has soared on Microsoft's shipping Gen AI tool based on a strategic partnership with OpenAI, and also helped to capture the world's most valuable company crown from Apple last year. Yeah, Apple has been lackluster in the last several months, and yeah, only makes sense that while Microsoft continues to soar higher, it's now the #1 most valued company. So again, if tech continues to sell off, look for price to move down, but look for buyers to step in at the monthly buyers level at 370. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.